Hello guys. In this lecture, we'll see how to create company. Company is a part of SAP enterprise structure. We all know there is a enterprise structure we need to create to map all the business processes. So out of that, in this lecture, we'll see how to create company. To create company, we use T code SPRO, which is nothing but SAP project reference object. Click on enter. Click on SAP reference IMG. Path for creating company is enterprise structure. Then go to the definition, then financial accounting, and then click on define company. Here you need to select new entry to create new company. As per data provided by the business or the stakeholder, you need to update the company name here. For example, I am creating UPAL01, then company name. Just to show you demo, I am providing one company name here. Same name, either you can provide as a company name too, or as per the requirement. Then you need to provide the detailed information here, like the address. For example, we are providing street number, PO box number, postal code. These all details will be provided by your business or stakeholder. Okay. Country code, which is already available in system. IN for India, language key English, and then currency INR. Once all the required detail fields, you can click on enter and then click on save. This will ask you to save your changes in the transport request you created. So click on own request. Once you click on own request, you need to find which transport request you created. For example, just now we created SAP functional configuration. So double click on it. Once you double click, click on continue. So these changes will be saved. This is how we create company in SAP enterprise structure. Thank you.